How to add a checkbox in Adobe Acrobat. Today we are diving into a super handy feature, adding the checkbox in Adobe Acrobat. Let's make those PDF interactive. Let's get started. First things first, open up your Adobe Acrobat and open the PDF in which you want to add a checkbox. Once you're inside, you will see this type of interface. Now you will see a lot of options on your left panel. You can see it over here. 4 options right over here. What we need right now is edit. That will help us to edit content or organize the pages. Simply tap on it, and that will give you several options. There's organize page and add content and other option. Among the options, simply tap on prepare a form. Tap on it. As this is a premium feature, I may not be able to show you the rest process. However, I'll be explaining you process that will make you easy to add a checkbox to a PDF. Let's dive into the topic again. After tapping on prepare form, Acrobat will automatically scan your document to detect the existing field. But we are here to add something new. At the top, you will see a toolbar. Click on the icon that looks like a checkbox. It's our hero today. After tapping on that, your cursor will change into a little crosshair. Simply drag that crosshair to where you want to place your checkbox on that document. Pretty neat. Now that your checkbox is in the place, you can customize it. Double click on the checkbox and the checkbox properties window will pop up. Here you can label your checkbox, choose its style, and even decide if it could be checked or unchecked by the default. Want to make it more interactive? Head over to the action tab and add some flair. No tech talk, just quick and simple steps. Once you are satisfied, remember to save your document so you don't have to lose all that hard work. And there you go, you have added a checkbox to your PDF. Easy, right? Try it out next time you want to spice it up your forms or documents. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.